Recoverit can repair your corrupt and damaged videos under different scenarios, including shooting, recording, transferring, editing, converting, or processing. It has a dedicated feature for video repair that you can access from its home. Just select the video repair option from the welcome screen and click on the Start button. The application has two different video repairing modes, quick and advanced, that you can run according to your needs. Step 1. Add corrupted video. As the video repair application would be launched, you can simply add the corrupted videos on it. There is no restriction on the size of the video that you can add. Just drag and drop the videos from any location to Recoverit. You can also click on the Add button to launch a browser window to locate the videos you want to repair. Step 2. Repair corrupt videos. As Recoverit would start the repairing process, you can simply wait for it to be completed. There is an indicator to let you know the progress of the repairing operation. Preview the repaired video. When the repairing process is completed, you can preview the results on the interface. Just click the play button to preview it. Advanced repair. Add a sample video. If the video has been severely damaged or the standard scan is not able to yield the expected results, then you can just click on the advanced repair option instead. Add a sample video. To perform the advanced video repair, you need to first add a sample video to the application. The sample video should be of the same format as the corrupted video file and shot on the same device as well. The application will let you browse your Mac's directory to add the sample video. Repair corrupted videos. Once the sample video is added, just start the video repair process and wait for a while, as the advanced repair might take longer to repair your video file. Step 3. Save the repaired videos. In the end, you can just preview the video repairing results on the interface and save it on the location of your choice. A browser window will be launched, letting you save the repaired videos to a secure location on your Mac or any other source.